Hi guys, my name is Riya Ramnani. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share a detailed tutorial for winged eyeliner for beginners or anybody who wants to learn smooth application of the winged eyeliner. So I'll be telling you about the products to use and the tips and tricks that I've learned over the years, everything that will help you with the smooth application of the winged eyeliner. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing is the product you would want to use. You can either use gel eyeliners, you can either use liquid liners, you can either use a brush or the dark eyeshadow or a kajal pencil, anything, any product which you are comfortable with. It doesn't mean that you have to only use high-end products. You can go with any of the product you feel you're comfortable with. Also, you have to find a product which is not very flaky, like not very dry or not very liquidy, like watery. If it is very dry, it won't stick to your eyelids, it won't stick here and it will come out as flaky. And if you are using very liquidy or watery liner, it will be very hard for the application. So you have to find a mediator between either of these two, so that will help you with the comfortable application of the eyeliner. So in this video, the product I'm going to use is Insta Liner Water Resistant by Lakme. It's very cheap though, but it's really good, and I've been using it for like really long, and I feel it slides down very easily on my eyelid, and there is no such irritation after applying the product, because I once used eyeliner by Color Bar and it came out very dry on my eyelids, and I started feeling irritation right here, and I swear I never used it again. So this is one product. Kama is quite cheap but is very good. If you want to try, you can try this. I sometimes use kajal pencil for smoky eyes sometimes by Plum. This is very this is really pigmented, so whenever I want to do a matte finish liner, so what I do, I apply the liner first, smudge it, and then apply this. This is a trick that I'm telling you guys. So we have a tendency to tug our eyes like this and then apply the eyeliner. So this is really very wrong. I used to do it, and I came across this thing that because I was doing like this, I started getting wrinkles here, because I am a person, I wear eyeliner every day, otherwise मेरी आँखें sad सी दिखने लग जाती है, as you can see, and you can really see the difference once I apply the eyeliner. So if you're tugging, if you're pulling out this skin very tightly towards outside, you are disturbing the shape of your eye. So if you're like drawing a line right here, so pulling like this, and then if you stretch, if you like leave it, the shape of the eye is different than the shape you drew on. So this is very wrong, and also it will attract, it will enhance with the wrinkly issues here, so we should not do this thing. Also, another thing is we should always follow, this is another tip that I will give you later, but I'll start with the application first. Another thing is you should always find something to put right below. If you're like new to applying eyeliner, so you'll be like having shaky hands, so always find a base right below your elbow to give a support to your shaky hands. This is a tip. Number two, another tip is like you might be thinking that how will we apply like eyeliner with a closed eye. So what you can do is grab a mirror, or like if you're standing just in front of the mirror, I'll tell you how. So this is a mirror. So you have to you do not have to close your eyes, just have to look down so that you can apply your eyeliner. So you have to position your mirror in such a way that you're able to see yourself, but also at the same time you can draw the liner without closing your eye. right? Without tugging your eye like this, and then like sometimes what you do is we like tug our eyes like this and like sorry and draw the liner like this. This is very wrong. Find a mirror, or if you're standing just in front of the mirror, move your face like this or position the mirror so that you can see yourself and draw. See, my eyes appear to be like very, like almost close, but I can see myself and I can draw without stretching out my eye, right? So this is tip or trick number 3. So here's my mirror and here's the liner I'll be using. Again, positioning my face like this. So I will not start with the wing first. I'll start with the base. I'll start in the middle and I'll draw liner as close to my eyelid towards the upper lash line, and then I'll start with the thickness, like whatever thickness I would want on my eyelid, right? So I'll start with the very thin, extremely close to my lash line. Also, I do feel like we all have this thing, like हमारा mouth हमेशा से खुला रहता है whenever we are applying the liner. In fact, it happens with the mascara too. So as you can see, I am at the middle only and applying very thin line, very thin, closest to my lash line. Applied the thinnest line I could do. Now I'm going with the thickness that I would want here. So I usually go very thick, but as per the outfit I'm going only a little bit thick. As you can see, I'm not yet started with the wing liner. I'm just drawing only on the lash line. See, I'll get closer to the camera. It's very simple to draw over the lash line first, or the eyelid first, then move towards the wing liner. Next tip is very rare, or it's very common that we do not have symmetrical eyes. So it's very rare that we get symmetric eyes. So if you're thinking that you're not getting symmetric liners, that you're comparing this eye to this eye, it is never possible, right? Because you do not have symmetrical eyes, so you cannot get symmetric or similar eyeliners in both of the eyes. So what you can do is, whenever you are applying eyeliner, always go with the lower lash line towards the eyebrow. So as you can see, we have to start from here towards this side. You can either use a pen or a sellotape or a card or anything that will give you a dimension of a straight thing like this. So this is the correct direction of your wing liner, from your lower lash line towards the tip of your brow, here also. So this is a major thing that you would want to keep in mind, that always follow from your lower lash line towards the tip of your eyebrow. You can either use a pen like this. I've seen videos, people using sellotape, people using cards or anything to give a straight line from your lower lash line towards the tip of the eyebrow. Right? So we have to go from the lower lash line towards the tip of the eyebrow. As and you don't need to worry if it is like not straight. We can again remove it or like clean it with the makeup remover or whatsoever. We can anyhow redo it if it's not correct, if it's not rightly done. Next is the right side. As you can see, I have drawn one straight line from my lower lash line towards the tip of the eyebrow, and I'll work towards the right side.
So here it is. Line made, line drawn. Now what we have to do is,
The next step is to make a triangle. So whatever is comfortable, like you can draw from the line towards the inside or from the inside towards outside, whichever is comfortable. So I've drawn the triangle here. To fill both the sides. That's it. You can see a huge difference in my face in the beginning of the video and now. And now I'll come finish it with mascara, जो भी बोलते हैं.
I'm using, sorry I did not show you earlier. I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express. You can see, yes. It's nice, I mean it works for my lashes.
That is it. My eyeliner look is done. And kind of I want to apply my lip color. Yes. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys liked the tutorial or like the way I explained it to you guys. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments what other videos you would want to see and anything you would want me to record. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.